Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you love tech and useful tips, hit subscribe. Let's jump in.
The cost to repair an elliptical can vary wildly, making it a common question for fitness enthusiasts facing a broken machine. There isn't a single, straightforward answer, as the expense depends on a multitude of factors, including the specific problem, the brand and model of your elliptical, whether you opt for a DIY fix or professional service, and the availability and cost of replacement parts. Minor issues such as a squeaking noise or loose pedal might only require some lubrication or tightening of bolts, costing you virtually nothing beyond a few minutes of your time and perhaps a can of silicone spray, which is under $20. However, more significant problems can quickly escalate into hundreds of dollars. One of the primary cost drivers is the nature of the malfunction. Common issues include worn-out bearings, frayed drive belts, malfunctioning consoles or displays, resistance mechanism failures, and motor problems for incline features. Replacing a worn drive belt or a set of noisy bearings, for example, might cost anywhere from $30 to $100 for the parts alone if you source them online or directly from the manufacturer. If you're comfortable performing the repair yourself, you'll save on labor. However, if you need to hire a professional technician, their hourly rates typically range from $75 to $150. Often with an additional service call or diagnostic fee that can add another $50 to $100 just for them to show up and assess the issue. So, a relatively simple belt replacement that takes an hour could easily cost you $150 to $250 once parts and labor are combined. More complex electrical or mechanical failures can be substantially more expensive. A faulty console or display unit, which controls many of the elliptical's functions, can be one of the priciest components to replace, sometimes costing $150 to $400 or more for the part alone. Similarly, issues with the resistance motor or the internal flywheel mechanism could see parts costs in the $100 to $300 range. When you factor in professional labor for these intricate repairs, the total bill can quickly climb to $300, $500, or even upwards of $700. At this point, you're often left wondering if it's more economical to simply replace the entire machine. The decision to repair or replace often hinges on the age and original cost of your elliptical. A general rule of thumb many technicians and consumers follow is that if the repair cost exceeds 50% of the price of a comparable new elliptical, it's usually wiser to invest in a new machine. For instance, if you paid $500 for your elliptical 5 years ago, and a major repair is quoted at $350, it might be time for an upgrade, especially considering that new models often come with improved features and a fresh warranty. Conversely, if you own a high-end elliptical that originally cost $1,500 or more, a $300 repair might be a worthwhile investment to extend its lifespan. Always check if your elliptical is still under warranty, as this could drastically reduce or eliminate your out-of-pocket expenses. Before committing to any repair, obtain multiple quotes from different technicians if possible, and thoroughly research the cost of replacement parts online. This due diligence will help you make an informed decision and avoid overspending. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more fitness equipment tips.